All right, I want to talk to you guys about something. Weight. That's what I want to talk to you about. How much do you think this right here weighs? I'll give you a chance to put that down in the comments. How much do you think this weight right here weighs? I'll give you a chance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 8 pounds, right? Not that much weight at all. You can hold this for as long as you want to. You can hold it for as long as you want to. I'll take that into account with what I'm about to say. So if you were to hold this for 1 minute at this same position, right? Doesn't really bother you. Hold that same position for an hour, your arm starts to tingle and ache a little bit. But if you hold that position right there all day or for your whole life, your arm will become paralyzed. It will fall off due to atrophy. So then the problem is not how much weight it is, which is only 8 pounds, not that much weight at all, but how long you hold it. So say for instance, you have something that's been troubling you since you were a kid. You've been holding on to that weight, same position, aka same mindset, for how many years? So what has that paralyzed inside of you? You see what I'm saying? What has that paralyzed inside of you? So if it doesn't serve you in regards to what you're carrying with you, put it down. Then you free your hands up for whatever else you want to do. Productive. Clear of the weight. That's it. It's not how much you hold, but how long you hold it. Only hold something that lifts you up. Never hold on to anything that pulls you down. Peace.